Hey, bro, what workout we hitting today, bro?
Self-driven
Hey, it's a self-driven king. He really your boss, never taking the loss. This is self-driven king. Hey, it's a self-driven king.
Hey, listen, there's a lot of people out here who think they can't progress on the pull-up bar. I'm about to show you how to do it. There's 2 ways I suggest. The easy way or the hard way. Ain't none of them easy. I just said that because it sounded good. My fault, I'm a little out of breath. Hey, but look. The first method I'm gonna show you, let's say you can only do 2 pull-ups. Your second pull-up, you shouldn't even be worried that much on the rep. And when I say that, I mean, don't like mess up the form or nothing like that. So what I mean by that is, you should be looking more into how long you can hold that second one. Keep focusing on how long you can hold that second one. When you can only do 2, next week you're gonna be doing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just gonna keep going up. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Let's say I can only do two pull-ups. One. Two. See what I'm saying? So on the second one, I held it as long as I could, body shaking, core tightening up, and then I released it nice and slow and controlled. That's how you get your money right there. Next method, you just gotta fight through it. You know you can only do 2, do 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 again until you finally hit whatever your desired outcome is. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So like, for me, when I first started doing pull-ups, I can only do 5. So when I wanted to do more, every time I walk past my pull-up bar in the house, I just do 5. Every time I see it, I just do 5. And I always put it in an area that I always had to walk past. And after that, just been up to here from there.